To insert a new SIM card into your Pixel phone, you'll need your SIM card and the SIM ejection tool that came with your device. Depending on your phone model, it will have a physical SIM slot along with eSIM, or will be an eSIM-only model. To learn more about eSIM, visit g.co/pixel/eSIM. Identify where your SIM card slot is. The SIM card slot will have a pill-shaped outline around it. For a device with the physical SIM slot, insert the SIM ejection tool into the small hole. Push firmly but gently until the tray pops out. Do not insert the ejection tool into any openings other than the SIM tray hole. Remove the tray and place your SIM card in the tray. Gently push the tray back into its slot. Turn on your phone. It will automatically read the new SIM card and connect to your carrier.